Oven nuggets in natural yogurt and cornflakes. Let's start by preparing the marinade. We also have 3 chicken fillets ready. We'll need pepper, salt, hot pepper, sweet paprika, an egg, and a small cup of natural yogurt. Pour the yogurt into a bowl. Add the egg and mix. Add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika. One teaspoon of hot paprika, salt and pepper, about 1 teaspoon each. Mix everything together. Add the chicken fillets and leave them in the fridge for at least a few hours. I left them overnight to soak. I prepared the cornflakes beforehand. We need to crush them a bit. We can make them very small pieces. Mine had some thicker pieces. They're not very small. We can set the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without convection. They are baked only with the top and bottom heating elements. Bake them like this for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the oven. And this is how they look baked and pulled. I hope you'll use this recipe. They come out really soft and juicy. So I invite you to comment, try the recipe, subscribe and watch more of my videos. Thank you. Best regards.